What's up guys, Bodie here, BodieDavison.com. So today's video, we're going to dive into something that's coming up on trends, something that I'm going to get you guys in on early so you can make some money with your print-on-demand business. Stay tuned for that. Once again, sorry for disappearing for a few weeks, but I have moved into my new house, as you can see from the background, and I have my office set up, but I've got a couple more things on the way. Got a new camera on the way. It's going to be a lot better quality. I can't wait to share that with you guys and just go forward making the channel even better. But from here on in, I'm going to be set up, so I'm going to be back to making regular videos, which you guys will be happy about. Welcome aboard to all my new subscribers. Make sure you check out my Print on Demand Mastery Facebook group, which is completely free. Lots of people in there. I think we're over 1,200 people in there now. Make sure you join that. The link is down below. Make sure you also check out the Teespring tutorial playlist and the Print on Demand playlist, which are on this channel, because they're going to answer a lot of the questions that you have and give you a lot of those how-to guides that you're looking for. Once again, guys, thanks so much for the continued support, and let's dive into today's video. Alright guys, so here we are on the computer, and what I'm pulling up for you today, the trend that is coming up, yes, you can see it there, is Halloween in 2020. So Halloween is coming up very shortly, and I'll just show you something. I have shown this in other videos, but this is something that you want to pay attention to, especially when there's trends coming up, and just something that you want to pay attention to in general, because sometimes things are trending that you don't know about, and you could be making money from those trends. So we're over on Google Trends. You just go to Google, put in trends, it'll come up with Google Trends. You don't have to sign up or anything like that. So what we're going to do is we're going to put in Halloween and search it. I've got caps lock on. So as you can see here, guys, this is the perfect time to be telling you about it, and that's why I want to make this video. And as you can see, the search trend is about to jump up right from now onwards. And so this is the perfect time for you guys to start getting some Halloween shirts designed and posting them on your social medias. And even if you were going to run Facebook ads or Instagram ads, this would be the time to do it, because you really want to get these shirts in front of people straight away. It's one of the times where I would say you're better off to actually put some money into some ads, because it's going to get shown to more people straight out of the gate instead of you having to wait for it. Like, let's say you put it on Teespring Marketplace or something like that, and you haven't even got a trust score and it's taken ages to show up on the marketplace. This trend could be over before you even get your shirts in front of people. So this is one of the times that I would suggest investing a small amount of money into running some paid ads so that you can get your shirts in front of people just as they're starting to search for them, as you can see here. So this is about to jump up. What's the date today? The date is the 6th of September here in Australia. So from here onwards, literally over the next few weeks, all the way up to October 27 to November 2nd, you have this gap where you can be putting out your shirts, and this is all people searching online for Halloween. So Halloween shirts are going to go off. This is the time to get on it. So of course your next question would be, okay, well, how do I make Halloween shirts? The best way to do it is to go and check out what everyone else is doing and make your own version of that. So if we just come over to Etsy and go Halloween shirt, we can go for a look through here. There is a few things that are copyright, like that's definitely copyright that's on here. It's very interesting with Etsy because they're full on about copyright, but yet you still see things on here that definitely, like that's copyright as well, that definitely pass that copyright border and somehow get away with it. But anyway, that's another story. So spooky season, boo-ha, got you. There's lots of different things here, and what you want to do is just get your own version of all of these. Have a look at what you think is doing well. You can go and check out their store and see what their reviews are like and things like that, and really dive into whether these shirts are actually doing well by just clicking on them. Because see here how it has 6,024. That is for the store. So click through to the store and have a look through and see what their reviews are like, things like that, and see what shirts are selling. So you got Mumstar. You're going to get a lot of cool ideas here, and just go through and check it out. The next way to do this would be checking out other websites, of course. So you got like Zazzle, another Halloween, just Halloween stuff here on Etsy. I was just checking out because I do also get into drop shipping as well. So if any of you guys are watching this and you're mainly into drop shipping, this would be the time to be doing your research for Halloween as well, because there is plenty of these items that you can find on AliExpress and be able to drop ship. and make some money like really quickly from. So let's move along. Things that I do is I want to go and check out what are all the best sort of sayings for Halloween. So a lot of these wouldn't be copyrighted because they're just Halloween sayings, like unless they're out of a movie or something like that, then it might be a bit different. But I really don't think you're going to get pulled up on copyrights for Halloween sayings. But you know, you possibly could. It just depends. Use your best judgment on that one. So literally all I've done is gone and Googled Halloween sayings, and then I've read through a few different ones and had a look here. And then there's some good ones here, and I've just sort of got some ideas in my head of what I want to do. The next thing I want to do is go over to Placeit. So this is Placeit here. I have a 15% discount, so you guys can get a discount to this that's for my subscribers, which is down link below if you're interested in that. But let's just have a look here. So we're just going to put in Halloween, and we'll see what pops up for that. And then there's a couple of cool things here. Well, there's lots of cool things about Placeit. You guys know that I'm a huge fan and use this in my business all the time. So for one, you can obviously be creating your logos and t-shirt designs, things like that, and have really cool shirt designs that you can put in for Halloween. And then number two, you can also use the mock-up generator and be advertising your shirts on social media with these Halloween themes or with actual different models and stuff with your Halloween gear on. I'll just show you this other one that I saw. So yeah, sticking with the Halloween themes, they even have mock-up generators like this. And so they're like the Halloween sort of theme with the mock-up generator, which is really cool because it would really go with the theme of what you're advertising on social media. You have your shirt design around Halloween, and then you have this sort of Halloween mock-up generator, and you can post your shirt there. That's really going to get people interested and make them stop in their tracks. So when they're going through social media, they're just, instead of just seeing like a design on a plain t-shirt, all of a sudden they see this, they're going to stop in their tracks. It's going to really get people interested in the shirt. So definitely really cool. I saw a couple of other ones like this one here where she's wearing a black cat. So Placeit really are all over everything, guys. Like they're all over Halloween, all that sort of stuff. There's another one down here, of course. So really cool. It's going to stop people in their tracks. And that's what social media is all about when you're advertising, because everyone's scrolling. We all do it. I do it. You do it. We scroll. And then it's certain things that'll stop us in our tracks. And that's why a lot of Facebook ads, you always ask a question at the top because the brain automatically reads that question. So there's a tip for you guys if you're ever doing your ad copy for Facebook advertising or Instagram advertising. You always ask a question on the top line because the brain automatically reads it. It can't help itself, and it'll stop them in their tracks. You know, you could have, do you love Halloween? Scrolling down, they see this picture and it's like, do you love Halloween? This is the top line across there. It's going to stop them in their tracks and really get them interested and stopped and having a look at your shirts and then thinking about Halloween. So a little bit of a tip there for you guys. So I thought this one was really cool. I just clicked on it. It's something we can work with, and I'll just show you guys what I'm going to do with it. So I've kind of already went through and checked it out, but we're going to go something different. You want to change these up because you don't want everyone just using the same thing, because that could get you copyrighted on somewhere like Teespring, etc. So let's just go Boo Crew. This was my first idea. I'm not saying any of these ideas are great, by the way. I'm just doing this quickly for the video, but I'm just showing you what you can do with this. So I like this text. I think it looks really cool. And then let's say that doesn't suit what I've got there. And so we put like this skeleton or something like that. And then that'll look really cool. And you could download that, have the background as transparent, download that and have that as a shirt design. Again, not saying this is good, I'm just flying through this. So another one could be, so how about we go with don't be a scaredy cat, and then we will come down here and we could just look for a cat image. And then try and find a cat image that would actually suit what we're going with here. Maybe like a vampire cat or an angry cat. How about this one? That's like a black cat. Okay, so don't be a scaredy cat. That could be our next one. So again, I'm not saying these are great. I'm just going through some of the sayings that I found back here. So don't be a scaredy cat, and then putting them onto shirts. Alrighty, next one. The next one I've got is if you've got it, horn it, which I thought was a very funny saying. And then we'll try and find like a ghost. So we've got like, these almost look like the Pac-Man ghosts. Throw that one on there. Let's change this from purple to, maybe we go like red. Maybe I'll go this one because he's kind of got like some fangs there. So again, there's a few different designs. Once again, saying they're not perfect, they're not awesome, but I have just flown through this for this video to give you guys some ideas of how you can have a look around and try and find your own sort of designs and make your own sort of different versions of it. Obviously, you can change all these sayings. Just giving you guys a quick idea on what you can do there. So one last thing, what you would do is download this. So let's download this. I'll just make it a transparent background because you always want to do that for a t-shirt. So always click that down there, guys, transparent background, and then we'll go and download it. All right, cool. So we've got that downloaded. I'm actually going to use this shirt design here. This mock-up here. Then we just click on upload image and we're going to add that image to the shirt. So we just upload the image here. You can zoom it in or whatever you want to do. Might zoom it in just a tiny bit or quite a bit, and then have it right near the top, I think is best. And then we'll just go crop. And then it's going to show up on the shirt. So the only issue here is because I've got so much lettering, this kind of cuts it off. But even if you had your ad running and then put the text, if you've got it hornet, people would be able to figure out that that's what it says on it anyway. And it actually looks quite cool on the shirt there. So you could download this and then be running your social media posts about Halloween with this exact mock-up generator. You would just go download here. So that's what's so cool about Placeit. You can do everything. It is the perfect thing for any t-shirt, print-on-demand t-shirt business. Absolute best thing you can be using. And if you're interested in using Placeit, I do have that 15% discount link down below this video. And that's it, guys. Thanks so much for watching. Way more videos coming soon. Check out my office. It's almost done. I got the iMac. I got the new white desk. I've got the light box up there. I've even got a couch and stuff. I'm really going to deck out this office. It does echo a little bit in here, but it will be a lot better. Anyway, thanks so much for watching. Make sure you check out the Print On Demand Facebook group. Make sure you also check out the Print On Demand playlist and the Teespring tutorial playlist. Also make sure to give the video a like for me, it really helps me out. Comment below any questions or video suggestions you have, and please hit subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one.